Standard 6, English Grammar, Noun and its types, collective and material noun. Children, now listen attentively to learn more about nouns, the collective and the material noun.
Learn about more types of nouns. So let's start. We learned that nouns are the naming words, and nouns can be of many types. Common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, and abstract nouns. We have already learned about common and proper nouns in the previous section. Now we will learn about the other three types of nouns in this section. Let's start with collective nouns. Collective noun is a naming word that represents a group of animals, things, or persons. Let's learn with some examples. Uncle John has a herd of cows. In this sentence, the word herd refers to a group of cows. So herd represents not a single thing, but a group of things. So it's a collective noun. The dog gave birth to a litter of puppies. Here, the word litter refers to a group of puppies, that is, more than one puppy. So the word litter is a collective noun. So such words as herd or litter, which represent a group or collection of the same kind of persons, animals, or things, are called collective nouns. Let us look at some more examples of collective nouns. Look, there is a flock of sheep means there is a group of sheep. A huge crowd has gathered in the stadium. Here, crowd means many people, so it's a collective noun. Please give me a set of tools. Here, set means more than one tool, so it's a collective noun. There is a fleet of ships in the sea. Fleet means many ships or a group of ships, so fleet and collective noun. So the words like flock, crowd, set, and fleet are all collective nouns as they represent a collection of things, animals, or persons. Now let's see some more collective nouns. An army of soldiers. When there are many soldiers, we call them an army. A team of players. A bundle of sticks. A heap of stones. So the words army represents many soldiers, team, many players, bundle, many sticks, heap, many stones. All these represent a collection of something, so they are called collective nouns. A bunch of grapes. A bunch of keys. A class of pupils. So these are some more examples of collective nouns. So we have learned many collective nouns. Now let us learn what are material nouns. A material noun is a naming word or noun for a material rather than a thing. For example, this is a t-shirt, but what is it made up of? It is made up of cotton. So, cotton is a material noun as it represents a material and not a particular thing. This is a chair. So, which material is it made up of? It is made up of wood. So, wood is a material noun as it represents a material that can be used for making many types of things. This is another chair. Which material is it made up of? It is made up of steel. Here, steel is a material as it can be used to make many types of things. Material nouns are uncountable. That is, we cannot count them as they represent materials and not things. Now let's see some examples of material nouns. Cloth, wood, iron, steel, copper, gold, silver, diamond, lead, paper, cement, paint, plywood. All these are material nouns. Cotton dresses are very comfortable to be worn in summer season. We have to find out the material noun in this sentence. The word cotton refers to the material dresses are made up of, so it is a material noun. My dad always wears a gold chain. So which word is a material noun in this sentence? It is gold, as it represents the type of material used to make the chain. So it's a material noun. Our teeth are made up of calcium. So which word is a material noun here? Calcium, as calcium is the material our teeth are made up of. These bowls are made up of plastic. So here the material noun is plastic, as these bowls are made up of plastic. Cooking utensils are mostly made up of iron or steel. So the material nouns here are iron and steel. I like satin dresses. Here the material noun is satin. So kids, we have learned about collective nouns and material nouns.
Children, I'm sure you have understood what are collective and material nouns. Let's do the following exercise. Underline the collective and material nouns in the following sentences. The first sentence, I purchased a bunch of grapes. So here the word bunch is highlighted. So it's a collective noun. I saw a herd of cattle. So over here also herd is highlighted. It is a collective noun. This chair is made of wood. What is highlighted? The word wood. It's a material noun. The chair is made of what material? Wood. So wood is a material noun. Our class consists of 40 students. So here the word class is highlighted. It's a collective noun. Clothes are made of cotton, wool and silk. What is highlighted? Cotton, wool, silk. So these are examples of material nouns. This chain is made of gold. Yeah, what is highlighted? Gold. So gold is a material noun. There was a big crowd on the road. What is highlighted? The word crowd. So crowd is a collective noun. So in these sentences, the words bunch, herd, class, and crowd are all collective nouns. And the words wood, cotton, wool, silk, gold are material nouns.